Hi, in this short video, we're going to be showing you how to navigate your affiliate back office with WCAP Financial, and also the two ways that you are able to send leads through. So first you'll go to WCAPfinancial.com, then hover over Resource, click on Affiliate Login, and then you'll enter your email and password. When you first log in, you're going to come to the dashboard, which is going to be a quick overview of all the stats on your account, the total number of people who've clicked on your affiliate links, and the total number of leads you've submitted, as well as the commissions that you've earned from those leads. There are two ways to submit a lead. The first is by using one of your affiliate links, which can be found in a couple of different places. The first is here under Real Estate Links. So for any real estate clients that you have, you'll click on this link here, which is going to be customized for you, and you can use this link in any email campaigns or websites that you have, and anyone who ever clicks on that link that comes through to us and applies for funding, you will of course get credit for that. We recommend using this link for real estate, and then for all other just general businesses, this link right here. And of course, anything here in your back office is going to be customized for you specifically. The second way to submit a lead is, of course, to click on Leads and enter some basic information for the client here, their name, phone number, and email. Click on Submit, and then we will receive that lead and reach out to the client. You can then see a list of all the leads you've submitted, as well as their current status and their progress on funding here on the right. For additional information on your leads, you can click Contact Us and contact your individual rep who's assigned to you, or our general affiliate manager, Bernadine. Thanks, and we look forward to working with you and your clients.